I used to love chili Southwestern egg rolls with avocado ranch until I started making them way better at home. Here's the recipe. In a pan on medium heat with some olive oil, add 1 small yellow onion dice, 1 small red and green bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno dice, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Let this cook for about 10 minutes, then add 1 drained 15-ounce can of black beans and 1 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. Season with garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper. Once the corn is fully cooked, set it aside to cool. Then get 12 ounces of chicken and season it the same as the vegetables. I grill my chicken, but you can also sear it or use a shredded rotisserie chicken. Once it's cooled, chop it up and then add it to your veggies along with a half cup of chopped cilantro. Then fold in 16 ounces of shredded Monterey and pepper jack cheese. Add a generous amount of the mixture to the lower end of an 8-inch flour tortilla, roll it up and seal it with a toothpick. Then deep fry on medium heat until golden brown and let them rest on a cooling rack or a paper towel. Remove the toothpicks, cut them diagonally, and serve with avocado ranch. Follow along for more recipes and enjoy!